Hello and welcome back. This is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, and this is the fourth video in the series of chakra crystals. And you guessed right, this one is about heart chakra crystals. So let's get to them. Now this video will be a bit different because I have already talked about heart chakra crystals in several videos so far. And I'll place the links to those videos in the description box below. But before we get to them, let's talk a little bit about the heart chakra and its imbalances. First, the heart chakra is very easy, and I'll give you three words: love, compassion, and joy. Other emotions associated with this chakra are hope, despair, sadness, and also fear. The color energy is green, the color of growth and prosperity. The sacred shape is the star tetrahedron. The heart chakra is the one responsible for connecting with other beings, creating meaningful relationships, not only in the romantic aspect. When it comes to the heart chakra, we're talking about unconditional love, the higher form of love. Let's not forget that everything starts with self-love and the relationship with yourself. Without that, there cannot be a love for your surroundings, for what you do, nor for others. So let's look at the imbalances now. When the heart chakra is blocked, that's when there are dysfunctional relationships, feelings of isolation, sadness, loneliness, and undeserving of love. In the area of physical health, there are symptoms of low immune system, high or low blood pressure, and heart and lung illnesses. Here are the crystals for this. Rose quartz is the go-to crystal for the heart chakra because of its high vibration and gentle energy. Green crystals are also at the top of the list. You can check my video on green crystals, but I can tell you my favorites. Peridot for joy and happiness. Green aventurine, which is mostly associated as a crystal for wealth and abundance. And for that, it will help you in looking at your feelings of unworthiness and what keeps you from feeling worthy of the good things in life. And if you feel there's something that needs to come out, malachite. Anything for blood conditions, blood pressure, and overall health of the cardiovascular system, check this video that I made for Halloween. And it's also in the links below and I think on the end card. Here is the overactive heart chakra, and listen carefully. These traits are believed and also praised as good qualities, the thing good people are made of. But these can work against you. Lack of boundaries, or putting the needs of others before your own in a bad way, denying your own self, losing your own identity and true purpose, saying yes to everything. And this one places you in the prison of being liked. Codependent and toxic relationships are also part of this imbalance. Do you know what is the problem with this so-called good qualities? Being so drained and abused, you can immediately drop into the other imbalance and become resentful. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this one because there is a theme to this imbalance, which is the inability to say no and the limiting beliefs about sacrifice. Here's what you're going to do. First, get a combination of these crystals to set personal, emotional, and energetic boundaries: amazonite, black obsidian, labradorite, and smoky quartz. These crystals are easy to find and very affordable. I will also add to look deeper into your boundary issues. Let that be with emotion release, soul contracts, or a soul aligning reading, because that will get you to the root causes. As you keep learning about these issues and working on them, start adding the green or other heart chakra crystals that are calling out to you. You can check this video on the heart chakra crystals that are not green and check all the different situations these crystals can help you with. How to use these crystals? I have said before to use them in meditation, carry them with you, or in a crystal grid. For this chakra, I will go with meditation or carry them with you rather than place them in a crystal grid. Don't forget to check all the videos and links below related to green and heart chakra crystals. They are in the end card too. Also below are the affiliate links for the crystals mentioned in this and other videos, and our crystal classes too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.